To transfer money from PaySafe to Apple Pay, you will need to have a PaySafe account and an Apple Pay account set up. First, make sure you have the latest version of the PaySafe app in the Apple Wallet app on your device. Open the PaySafe app and log in to your account using your username and password. Navigate to the My Account section and select the option to withdraw funds. Choose the option to transfer funds to a bank account or card. As Apple Pay is linked to a card, you will need to add your Apple Pay card details to the PaySafe app. This can be done by selecting the Add New Card option and entering your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you have added your card details, you can initiate the transfer by selecting the card and entering the amount you want to transfer. Review the transaction details and confirm the transfer. The funds will then be transferred to your Apple Pay account, and you will receive a notification when the transaction is complete. It is essential to note that transfer times may vary, and you should check the PaySafe app for any transfer fees or limits. To add the transferred funds to your Apple Pay wallet, open the Apple Wallet app and select the card you transferred the funds to. The updated balance will be reflected in the app, and you can now use the funds to make payments using Apple Pay. It is crucial to keep your account information and card details secure to avoid any potential issues with your transaction. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to PaySafe and Apple Support. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer money from PaySafe to Apple Pay and start using the funds to make convenient and secure payments.